and Hudson. Follow me on Twitter at _culture and my little brother at
Feeling myself.
Alright. And today, this video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about how Ratchet girl.
It explains itself. God is crying. Don't pitch me. Who does come out the house like that? She is doing the most. She is doing the most. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Give me phone. Better take this heifer a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. Better put this girl on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. See, I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See, you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Cause you ratchet. Ooh, watch her all. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Cause she ratchet. Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr. Miller. Girl, what a baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club middle of the floor. No shoes. Where's up? I had to get cute today. I bought G's for Bouchard. You look good as my baby daddy. Just pay bad heels up here. Shoot that. Baby, need me some shoes today. Transport check it too. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the good? You know it. Don't be fit up. Move. Get out my way. The 15th, I got the full stamp. I got a brand new piercing. Brand new tattoo. $95 for me plus tax. Bow. That thing on respect. Get that girl over her head is cank alone. Thinking that you better than I am. Well, then you think you stupid. She a lie. My number. Boy, bye. What's wrong with you, girl? Ooh. Hey, girl. You look good. Turn on the smile. Okay. We'll talk to you later. Alright, bye. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Let me take this heifer a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. Gotta put this thing on Twitter. Cause she ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Cause she ratchet. Oh, I wanna punch her in her. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Cause she ratchet. My name is Email Wella, but my girlfriends call me Kari. The club is free before 11. Drinking and we party. Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo-boo sorry. 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my first song. Pound team dark skin. We don't like them red on doublet in my picture. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. I'm a team flip phone. You know it. Team Chris Brown. Don't shut it up. Then it's team shut it up. What you wanna do? I'm a team bad chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team getting paid. I mean, he might as well spend it all on me. Like, I don't understand. Like, you too ratchet. You need your lace front ratchet. Like, you sound ratchet. But you need to go somewhere your old ugly. What's wrong with her? She too fake. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Beautiful. But take this heifer picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. But I put this there on Twitter. So you ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See, you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. She ratchet. Ooh, I saw a punch her in her. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Cause she ratchet. Ooh, like you so ratchet. You like your ratchet. Like your bad. You anyways, like, okay, we get it. Your hair like a jungle, and you want to get leopard tats on you. No, not on you. Oh my God.